How to lose fat without losing muscle, tips and tricks. If you've been working hard to get in shape yet still want to lose fat, you may also have concerns that you'll lose muscle. To prevent this, you can follow a few eating and fitness guidelines to help you achieve the desired results. You must go about losing weight safely and effectively to optimize fat loss and muscle maintenance. This is especially important if you want to maintain your fitness level, physical activity, and overall function. To keep the muscle you have while losing fat, you'll need to balance limiting yourself and to push yourself as much as possible. Watch this video until the end because I will share a free bonus ebook at the end of the videos after sharing the tips and tricks to lose fat without losing muscle. Here are the tips and tricks you can apply to lose fat without losing muscle. 1. Schedule recovery time. Give yourself enough time to recover between workouts. This is especially important if you eat fewer calories and do intense workouts. 2. Exercise. Exercise is another important aspect of maintaining muscle mass. The researchers found that when individuals followed an eating plan and did some type of exercise, they were able to prevent muscle loss due to calorie restriction. 3. Eat healthily. Change up your eating plan to include healthy proteins and fewer unhealthy fat sources. 4. Try a supplement. Consider taking a supplement, such as chromium picolinate, which is said to positively affect weight loss, hunger, and blood sugar levels. Besides following the above plan, you need to do also exercise plans. Here's the exercise plan you can do to lose weight while maintaining muscle. 1. Do cardio. To lose fat and gain or maintain muscle mass, do moderate to high-intensity cardio for at least 150 minutes per week, such as cycling, running, boxing, and soccer. 2. Increase the intensity. Increase the intensity of your workouts to challenge yourself and burn calories. 3. Continue to strength train and do strength training twice a week. This may be a combination of weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, and resistance band exercises. 4. Take a rest. Allow for adequate rest and recovery on alternate days. Either take an entire day off, or opt for light-intensity exercises, such as walking, swimming, or dancing. In a nutshell, those are tips and tricks on losing weight without losing muscle. Thank you for watching till the end. If you're interested in learning more about losing weight, you can download the bonus free ebook on the description link below. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get our new videos' latest update. If you like our video, like, comment, and share it with your friends or family. Thank you.